Dear students, it is the second video for week 15 and we are learning the library research report. Dear students, in the first video, I explained about what is the library research report and significance or importance of the writing library research report. In this video, I'm going to talk about the process of library research report. The students' library research report follows the same topic, same process of the research writing. The very first thing is selecting a topic for library research report. The students, there are two ways. Number one, that a person selects the topic himself. And if you are writing a review or research report by your choice, keep in mind the following points. Number one, the topic must be relevant to your field. Number two, you must have natural latent interest about that topic. Okay. About the topic, there should be already written material available in books, research papers, and other sources. Do not select a new topic. Do not select a new topic which is quite a new thing, because you won't be able to find much information about that. Second thing is making an initial plan. That library research report or research writing or report writing even, that is time bound. It is that you are provided a specific time duration, a week, 15 days, a month. Clear? Therefore, first of all, we have to make a plan. Plan one is that number one, collect the important material. That you should have computers, pen, pencils, printer. Clear? Everything which is used in writing, that should be available. Number two, select. Once you have selected the topic, you should make an outline what to explore about the topic. आपको टॉपिक मिल गया, उसकी आउटलाइन बनाए. Make it in two ways. Number one, what points are necessary for to be expressed. एक टी चार्ट बनाएं, उसकी एक तरफ लिखें the important points you think to talk about. उस टॉपिक के मुतालिक जो important points आप समझते हैं कि ये होने चाहिए, उसको लिख लें. In the second thing, the important points which your supervisor, which your teacher, which your team lead has asked you. दूसरी तरफ वो पॉइंट लिख लें उस टॉपिक के मुतालिक जो आपके टीम लीड ने कहा है कि मुझे ये चीजें इसके अंदर चाहिए. क्लियर? देन दिस इज द टी चार्ट. देन मेक एन आउटलाइन. उन दोनों को मिलाकर एक लॉजिकल आउटलाइन बना लें. क्लियर? दोनों पॉइंट्स को मिलाकर मेक बाय कंपैरिजन एंड कंट्रास्ट ऑफ बोथ, मेक अ लॉजिकल आउटलाइन. This is something important. Once your outline is finalized, then finding the published material on the chosen subject. Then you have to find out the books. Search for the books, visit libraries, search for research articles, newspapers, wherever you can find the information. Collect that reading material. Clear? Visit libraries, visit online libraries, take prints, take books and collect them. Number 4, reading and taking notes. Then, according to the outline, read and take notes. That you have to, reading and taking notes is one of the very important thing in the library research report. How to read the books one by one and take quotations and material from that books, citations, okay, and then using that into your writing. This is 4th point, is the backbone of the library research report. Completing the plan and writing the first draft according to your plan. For example, आपने सोचा कि मैं एक हफ्ते सिर्फ और सिर्फ, मीन यू हैव बीन गिवन 15 days, तो आपने क्या किया कि पहले 2 दिनों में चीजें इकट्ठी की, फिर आपने कहा जी 7 दिन मैं पढ़ूंगा और नोट्स लूंगा, and the rest of the days I will draft it and will take the report to the final stage. This is what you have to divide your targets on days. Documenting the text, उसके बाद क्या क्या बैठ जाते हैं और उसको लिखते हैं, उस printing and all that. Revising the first draft and preparing the complete report. और इस सारे प्रोसेस के अंदर we have to apply the writing process. कि सारे प्रोसेस के अंदर क्या हम क्या करते हैं, राइटिंग प्रोसेस को अप्लाई करते हैं in all the stages of pre-writing, revising, editing and proofreading, publishing and presenting. Well, the students now come to one by one about the topic. Select your topic. It has already been done. Select a topic that interests you, and if your instructor assign your topic, make the most of it by finding something about that interests you. Clear? Number 2, narrow the topic as much as possible. एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक आपको दिया गया तो उसमें 2 चीजें देखें कि आपके सुपरवाइजर ने अगर आपको टॉपिक दिया तो उसमें भी देखें कि कौन सी चीज आपके इंटरेस्ट की है. फिर नैरो द टॉपिक, एक बहुत बड़े टॉपिक को हम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं. एग्जांपल, एनवायरमेंट डैमेज टू एनवायरमेंट इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द क्लाइमेट चेंज. क्लियर? Means you have to narrow down your topic, but do not narrow down your topic that it loses all the colors and interests. कि narrow down भी आपने इसलिए करना है कि it should be very important. And if you have limited your topic, अगर आपने टॉपिक को बहुत ज्यादा स्पेसिफाई कर दिया, then it will be hard to find out the relevant material. Clear? And it can consume more time. Step 2, create your research questions. This will help determine keywords for searching the library catalogs or database. Once you have made your research questions, research question creating is one of the very technical thing for writing library research report, especially in social sciences. Example, is people's disregard for the environment the cause of climate change? Statement wrong. Clear? If is the disregard of the people cause the climate change? Clear? And then in online searching, environment, disregard, climate change, people, or human, they are the keywords. Clear? By these keywords, you can search the books, their titles. You can search the material online like Google Scholar, even on Google, fine. So the keywords are very important, and especially in current days, when everything is being stored on cloud or online, keywords are very important. Step 3, find keywords for your topic. List keywords, synonyms, alternative spellings, or related search terms for your topic. I mean, on surfing on internet, we have to use the alternative words, synonyms, clear? Instead of climate change, by trying global warming or greenhouse effect. Dear students, climate change is the topic, but these are the similar topic: global warming, greenhouse effect. They almost quite nearer to each other. Fine. Tips: make a list of all the keywords you want to search. Refer back to the list when you have an interruption in your searching. Clear? Once you, for example, आप search करते हुए कहीं और निकल गए, means the Google is placing infinite data before you, but stuck to yourself to the keywords. Step 4, decide on source and search your topic. Clear? I mean, from where you would like to talk, search. What will be your books, articles, films, internet sources? A good rule of thumb is to have at least one more source than the number of pages you require to write, but always follow your instructor's requirements. It is much better to utilize multiple sources, like a research paper, like a book, like a reference book, like some article. Clear? Search your topics in a library catalog or database. Always check your spellings when searching. Fine. I mean, be careful about spellings. Dear students, step 5, evaluate your source. It is very important that what is that source, mean वही भी किताब क्या है, वो आप रिसर्च पेपर कौन सा है, किसने लिखा है, किस जर्नल में वो छपा हुआ है, वो किस डेट को छपा हुआ है. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर रिसर्चिंग ऑन a latest module or algorithm, but you are reading an article which is written 20 years ago, that is not effective. भाई जो बात 20 साल गुजर गई है, that's old. Search for the latest information. This means that evaluate your sources. Evaluate your results for content. Ask yourself, when was it written? कब लिखा गया? Is the information current? Is it the relevant information? You know that it is the storm of the information. It is the age of information storms. भाई ये तूफानी अंदाज में, I mean, there is much more information. Clear? Even it is not possible for one to have information about all the information. Clear? Therefore, we have to be careful whether the information is current, who wrote it, are they an expert, can the information be verified by any other person or any other source, is the information biased, क्या information जो है वो कोई यकतरफा है, या जिसमें जो लिखने वाला है वो उसने अपनी पसंद की चीजें लिखी हुई हैं. That's very important in evaluating the source for the library research report. Dear students, step 6, organize your thoughts. Clear? It is very important that once you have taken all, made outline, taken the sources, notes, organize your thoughts. When reading through your sources, make notes about concept you think would be important in your research paper. Focus on gathering information that answers your research question. This is very important. एक तो भाई जो कुछ आप पढ़े उस रिसर्च उस पेपर का मेन आइडिया, कॉन्सेप्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आपके जेहन में होना चाहिए। फिर खास तौर पर आपने उस इंफॉर्मेशन को नोट करना है जो आपके रिसर्च क्वेश्चन यानी जो आपने सोचा हुआ है उसके मुतालिक हो, जो आपकी तलाश है, जो आपने आउटलाइन बनाई हुई है उसके मुताबिक हो। मेक नोट्स इन अ वे दैट इट इज मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू। क्लियर? राइट एन आउटलाइन फॉर योर पेपर, राइट नोट कार्ड्स, आउटलाइन एंड note cards. Make copies of the articles or book page and highlight the passage. If it is hard, then highlight. And if it is working online, then take the copy, and there are many tools available that you can utilize. Make sure that you do not highlight, underline in library books. लेकिन यहाँ पे बात बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपने कॉपी है उस पर करना, जो जेन्युइन लाइब्रेरी की किताबें हैं उन पर कोई नोट, लाइन शाइन नहीं लिखनी। टाइप नोट्स एज यू रीड आर्टिकल्स। आर्टिकल पढ़ते जाएं और साथ आपके पास टाइपराइटर हो, आप नोट्स जो है वो टाइप करते चले जाएं। स्टेप 7, क्रिएट योर बिब्लियोग्राफी। बिब्लियोग्राफी इज द रेफरेंसिंग कैटलॉग कि किससे आपने पढ़ा, कौन सा बुक, कौन राइटर, कौन सा है, किताब कौन सी है, कब छपी है, पेज नंबर कौन सा है। दैट इज कॉल्ड साइटेशन। Always consult a style guide handbook if you have any question about your citing your source. This is very important. बेटा हमने सबसे पहले रिपोर्ट राइटिंग में देखना होता है कि what is which convention of the report writing style we are following. तो उसमें जो MLA है, APA स्टाइल है, IEEE स्टाइल है, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ द शिकागो स्टाइल है, ये बहुत, ये 3-4 बड़े बड़े रिपोर्ट राइटिंग स्टाइल्स हैं। तो हमें इनमें से किसी एक को फॉलो करना होता है। क्लियर? एंड देन वी हैव टू टेक अ बुक कि भाई वो किताब का रेफरेंस कैसे लिखते हैं, रिसर्च पेपर का रेफरेंस कैसे लिखते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सोर्स का रेफरेंस कैसे लिखते हैं। एंड द स्टेप 8, राइट योर पेपर। ड्राफ्टिंग स्टेज पर चले जाएं एंड कीप इन माइंड, चेक स्पेलिंग्स, चेक ग्रामर, check instructors requirements, and you may need to write several drafts before you are satisfied कि भाई आप मुख्तलिफ ड्राफ्ट्स लिखें, उनको बार बार देखें, and then clear. Dear students, I'm sure that you have learned the process of writing a library research report and in detail the main steps. Thank you very much.